Libianca, a breakout artist, a breakout star right now, from originally from Cameroon but based in the US. She has caught a moment, opened the year with a massive moment with people, and it's a very I don't use the song. I don't use the term depressing, but obviously it expresses a lot of mental health relatability to it. People that just want to drink their pains away, essentially, that use alcohol as a form of escape, can absolutely relate to the sadness behind the song. And it's a song that really captured the attention of everyone. And so much so that she has a momentum even in Nigeria right now. I think from TTC, she came up to like about 40. I might need to check again where she is. But the song essentially did well on the Nigerian front. Now, immediately, I even tweeted it a long time ago. Omah would have been a great moment. Would have been a great feature for her to infiltrate the Nigerian market, because the Nigerian market is still crucial. It still is. Yeah, it still is a crucial market to tap in, especially for a Cameroonian artist. And it's nice to see that she's going that route. But this time around, she also has Ayra Starr on this, and of course you can liken it to the Jackie moment, Jackie from Ghana, when she had Forever with Omah. That song, yeah, it took off immediately with the Omah feature, and this is a song that obviously begs for an Omah verse. It begs for an Omah moment, because it's in that Afro depression pocket. Really sober type of delivery that you'd expect from all the artists, and who better than Omah, you know, that has that entire narrative going for him for his debut album, Boy Love. And it would be nice to see Ayra Starr on this pocket too. Obviously her dexterity is top notch, so I would expect Ayra to sound okay on this. But I'm really more so curious about Omah on this, because it seems more fitting than any other artist. And it's not a knock on Ayra. It feels more fitting than any other artist to feature on this record and to bring a momentum for her in Nigeria. But anyway, let's get into it, people. Libianca, Ayra.
Did you check on
myself, man? Let me brace myself.
Did you check on
okay, Ayra.
Now did you notice?
Let's go.
But I can no longer depend on it. I become my own sanity. I don't question my own sanity. I'm just tired, not trying to be lazy, cause I got a lot that I've been dealing with. I know you understand. I've been trying to hold myself.
Oh!
Make you not leave me deep.
Oh, don't let go.
Wait. That transition was wicked. Let me run that back. I did like cut off Libianca's vocals and then brought up Omah over there. I'm like, what is going on? Oh my gosh.
Holy Father, they try to hold myself. Cause I've been drinking more alcohol, so I don't give a fuck. Cause I'm always by myself. I don't really need you. I cannot force you.
I've been drinking more alcohol.
Yo, it's too easy for him. It's too easy for him.
Did you check on me? I walked in the room as I ran and I don't smoke banga.
Did you check on me? Come on. It had no choice but to work, bro. It had no choice but to work. Stellar lineup right here. Ayra Starr and Omah. Vocals. Afro depression. What else? Where do you want to go? You know what I mean? But yeah, on a serious note, like when it comes to records that really reflect on the mental state, you know what I mean? And we've seen Omah do it in such a fine fashion on this project in many instances. And then now we're seeing a record that essentially captures that same element, that same mood, and with a very strong chorus, like a very strong chorus that is super addictive. I remember January this year, like this was the song, Obsessed, and then we got like a million other covers, and then it started to get, oh, okay, you guys are having fun with the song. But I'd say it got tiring or anything. But yeah, I kind of moved on away from the song. But this remix, obviously, it's doing what a remix is supposed to do, just to boost and almost create and build on the momentum that the song already has. And obviously, it's targeting a new market here, and it's obvious that the market here is the Nigerian market. Now, Libianca's background, obviously, she has been on The Voice. It's a lot more R&B, I would say. But now that she hopped into the Afro wave pocket, she caught one, and I don't see her leaving anytime soon. I hope that she's sticking around in this pocket and not vacates immediately into some. I mean, not to say that she should go back to R&B cuts, but at the end of the day, she would be fantastic with a more Afro audience, I would say more African audience, and have that kind of feeling to her music. The song is absolutely like, it's intimate, it's very deep, it's very like, you relate to it, you know. And they both expressed it in very fine fashion rather. And Buju would have been great on this. Benson had another cover that prior to this, I thought, in terms of all the covers that we heard, and we heard covers, trust me, from everybody, I thought Buju's one was one of the final ones, and he absolutely killed that cover. But that cover was more so like a brand placement, and we saw it happen. It was, I forget which brand it was placing, but essentially he shot a whole video for it, had visuals, like it sounded good, it sounded very natural for the song. It would have been, imagine having Ayra Starr, Omah, and Buju. Tell me that song doesn't go number one on every platform for Nigeria. Do you know what I mean? It would be crazy. It would be crazy to see that. And yeah, Buju absolutely had a stellar moment, and I think that would have even pushed the song even further. But then again, the man's probably taking a step back away from being a feature guy. I'm sure he is. I'm not guessing. But right now he has the number one song in Nigeria. You know, Gwagalada is doing his bits, you know. And yeah. So he's good. He's fine. He probably doesn't want to oversaturate, which he does oversaturate the market. But he probably doesn't want too many number ones at one time because, yeah, we're knocking songs off. So he's taking a step at a time. But anyway, that was People, Libianca, Ayra Starr, and Omah. Stellar moment, man. I hope Libianca is around. Yeah, it would be nice to see what this song actually does for her, because I would imagine the remix doing a lot for her. Yeah, a whole lot for her, especially, yeah, the name recognition of Ayra Starr and Omah. It would be great. It would be great for her.